Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial on Cuban tostones de plátanos con salsa de gazpacho. Sorry about that, guys. Today I will have Elsa, Megan, Angelica, and Terry help me with the tutorial. Let's get started! Yay! First things first. Need 3 plantains. You need 355 milliliters of 100% pure vegetable oil. Three onions. Ajo. That is 99 cents. 500 milliliters of water. Doesn't matter what it is, just as long as you got water. And aguacate. 3 avocados. And 3 cans of tomato sauce. So that's 227 grams right there. And last but not least, the wonderful, delicious lemon juice. 946 milliliters of lemon juice. Preheat your stove and put a volume of 355 milliliters of oil.
You want to make sure that the temperature is not too cold and it's not boiling hot.
So while the stove is preheating, Elsa will be cutting the plantains to produce a physical change. But before she does this, she's going to wash her hands with a base or soap.
You want to cut this solid into small pieces, like in around 2 inches, maybe, or depending how you want it. You want to get the plantains that have been through a chemical change and put them on a plate and squish them. After you squish them, you want to dip them in a solution of the compound H2O and NaCl, which the water is the solvent and the salt is the solute. This liquid makes the plantains less oily. Then you will put them back on the pan and let them fry till golden.
Okay, so while Elsa's checking on the plantains, me, Terry, and Megan are going to be cutting up the vegetables for the gazpacho sauce. So we fillet the garlic, the aguacate, and onions. Okay, so we finished cutting up all the vegetables, the onions, the aguacate, and stuff. It works. So, depending on like how much you're gonna serve and how much you're gonna need, that's depending on how many vegetables you're gonna cut.
After you mix the vegetables, add some lemon juice, also known as acid, because the pH level is lower than 7.
You're just gonna add a little bit of salt to the heterogeneous mixture, and it's not a homogeneous mixture because it is not all the same when you're serving it. Also, you want to add a little bit of tomato sauce, and when you're done, just cover it up with foil and put it in the fridge.
Okay, so after the roast, you're gonna see the final product of the Tostones, the Gazpacho.
This January, a new kind of weekly competition.
Time starts now.
Talented chefs face off in a whole new way, pushing to win.
It is definitely good.
No matter what curves we throw at them.
What am I gonna do?
I'm so confused.
Before time runs out.
Last minute.
My worst nightmare.
You have been chopped.
Chopped premieres January 13th at 10, 9 Central on Food Network.
Okay, so after we're done with this, we made the Tostones, so you're gonna wanna turn off the stove to stop the chemical reaction. Once you're done with that, you're gonna let the gas just flow into the air. You're just trying to like clear the air. Let the gas flow. And if you want, you can serve the Tostones with Gazpacho sauce, but make sure it does not get filtration or decantation
Occur where you're pouring the sauce to the tostones because you want the liquid to stay with the sauce.
Bye!